Josef Herman became really well known for drawing and painting people, especially the coal miners of Ystrad. As you look at these drawings, paintings and prints, really explore how Herman made marks. Josef Herman didn't only do drawings and paintings, but he also made prints. A lithographic print is traditionally a drawing made on stone. It's still used today by many artists. It's also used in the commercial industry, and in this case, it's normally digital. As you can see from this sketch, Josef Herman didn't only sketch with black and white or pencil or charcoal, he also used colour. Consider how Herman uses the paper to produce lots of different sketches. Notice the electric pylon in the centre of this sketch of miners, one of the recurring themes in Herman's work. Look at the marks that Herman has used here to form the crouching miner. Another recurring aspect in Herman's theme of people is that of mother and child, but also sometimes miner and child.